Good morning, or at least it is for me. We are on Unit 4, and this is our final lesson. We're doing lessons 7 and 8 together today. When you do the review, that's something that you will just do with your learning coach, or you'll have your learning coach check it off, and then you'll go in and do that final assessment. So, today your objective, of course, is to define and use the words that have Greek and Latin roots for this unit. And once you get into the online school, it says, do your best today. This review is antecedent to the unit assessment. So to begin, you will review the pages in your workbook from page 38 to 47. The review assignment is on page 48. So here's your workbook. You'll turn to page 48 and you can see that there are two sections, 1 and 2 right there. And again, this is not something you put on your online school. This is something that you'll just do and have your learning coach check it off. If you go down to that second section there, it says writing or discussion activities. And I'm going to go ahead and read that first part right there. Number 1 says, have you ever had the experience of being preempted? Have you ever done any preempting yourself? In a brief paragraph, describe the situation in which preemption occurred. So I went ahead and put a couple of example sentences down, and I'm going to tell you what they are. That might give you an idea of what you can come up with if you've had a time an experience of being preempted, or it says you've ever done any preempting yourself. So the sentences I came up with, I have, in an attempt to preempt my sister from spilling my secret, I announced my engagement. That's not true, I'm already married, but that's just a sentence. Okay, here's another one. I was able to surprise my opponent by landing a preemptive strike. So maybe if you're playing soccer or chess or something, you could say that you were able to surprise your opponent by landing a preemptive strike or preemptive move. So that could be with a game of some type. Another one I made a preemptive move on Black Friday. So maybe that means before anyone else could, I grabbed the toy off the shelf. That's not true either. I didn't even go out on Black Friday. Okay, so that's part of your review. Again, you have 2 sections on the review. And then once you get in to do your final assessment, I'm going to tell you some of the things that you will see. The directions read to choose the word that best completes the sentence. So you'll be filling in some blanks. And next it has you select the best answer to each question. And then last, it asks you to select the pair of words that has the same kind of relationship as the numbered pair. And you will do that when you go in and do that review, as you can see right there on the top, right here. These ones right here. Okay. So you are ready to finish up your review, finish up your assessment, and then we're done with Unit 4. The last thing is, of course, since it's review and assessment, I have Mr. Potato Head. This is mini Mr. Potato Head. So you will send your results either to, you can send them to me or Mrs. Harden. She's keeping a list as well. And you just type in what your assessment score was and what did Mr. Potato Head look like today. You could say it's a mini Mr. Potato Head. He's got a green hat, green mouth, blue shoes. Just give a couple descriptive words about him, okay? Thank you very much, and I hope you have an awesome week. Take care.